Legacy Builders Program. Okay, so the Legacy Builders Program pay you $900 in commission per sale, guy. How do you like that? Once you are ready to share your link in the Legacy Builders Program, you are giving yourself the opportunity to earn $900 in commission over and over and over again, guys. This is a powerful product. All right, and look, let me tell you something. Most people that start online business, they are always afraid to promote products that pays them high ticket commission. So what you notice is this: they are always promoting low ticket offers, product that pays them just $10 in commission. So just look at this. Now, if you want to earn $900 and you are promoting a product that pay you $10, that means you will need to make 90 sales, guys. 90 for you to make $900. But if you are smart and then you decide to promote the Legacy Builders Program with only one sale, you will be able to earn $900, guys. It's powerful. Now, let me show you some of the people in our community that are earning $900. Now, this is the Legacy Builders Digital Growth Community, all right? And look at the number of members we have. 42,000 members. And I tell you something right now. This is an opportunity for you to be part of the 49,000 members that we have. All right? So just know that. So let's go straight to the community. Let me click on that. And then I'm going to click on the wins. I don't want to waste your time. Now look at this. Look at Hajara. She made $900 while she was sleeping, guys. While she was sleeping, she made $900. Let's check another person. Let's quickly check another person. Look at this. Boto, she got a payment notification. That means she made commission, even though she did not tell us how much it is. Oh my God. Let's check Maggie. Maggie made $900 while watching television. How do you like that? You are watching Netflix and you are just making $900 over and over and over again. It's awesome, right? Let's check another person. Whoa, look at Elizabeth. $900. She made $2,700, guys. That's powerful. Let's check another person. And Sheila also got her first sale. Let's check another person. Karen got her first sale. Let's check some more people before I'm done. Ricardo, $1,800 in 1 hour, guys. In 1 hour. Oh my God. So you can see that the Legacy Builders Program is changing life. Let me show you some of the commissions I've earned because I am promoting the Legacy Builders Program. Now just look at this quickly, okay? Let it load. Now look at that. $600 in commission straight to my Stripe account. Let's check another one. $900 in commission straight to my Stripe account. Look at this. Another $900 in commission straight to my Stripe account. Let's check this. $1,150 in commission straight to my PayPal account. Let's check another one. $621 to my PayPal account. Look at this. $100 commission to my PayPal account, and then $300 commission to my PayPal account, and then $900 in commission to my Stripe account. I am sure with just this few evidence, you understand why you need to be promoting the Legacy Builders program right now. I'm telling you right now, because you don't want to miss out on this $900 commission that is exploding everywhere. Now, what is the Legacy Builders program? Let's quickly go to my note. Now, the Legacy Builders program is an interactive online training program that shows you how to build an online business and also how to grow the business. All right, it also shows you how to get customers to the business. So with the Legacy Builders program, you will earn high ticket commissions of $900 over and over and over again. And these commissions are paid straight into your bank account, okay? So you don't have to wait 1 week, 2 weeks. No, you earn it straight into your bank account. And with the Legacy Builders program, there is no monthly fees. So you don't pay any monthly fees at all. Once you join the Legacy Builders, you have joined literally forever, as long as the program exists. It's powerful like that. And once you join the Legacy Builder, you will become an automatic member of the digital growth community. Okay, so this is a very powerful program. Now, how do you promote the Legacy Builders program? How do I promote the Legacy Builders program? So I use a free automated marketing system. That's how I promote it. I use a free automated marketing system that does all the work for me to promote the Legacy Builders program. Now, let me show you that marketing system. So this is the marketing system. It's called the Super Affiliate Funnel, all right? So, and it's free of charge for you to use and promote the Legacy Builders program. Now, how does this marketing system help you to make money with the Legacy Builders program? One, it builds your email list. So the bigger your email list, the more your opportunity to make a sale, right? So with this system, you will be able to build a large email list. Okay, now let me take you straight to my Gmail account and then show you how I'm building my list with this Super Affiliate Funnel. So just let it load quickly. Now look at all these people are joining me in the Super Affiliate Funnel, just like this. Can you see that? Now, once these people join me in the Super Affiliate Funnel, they are added to my email list, okay? And like I told you, the bigger your email list, the more money you could make. So, and once you have a large email list, you will now be able to promote other products to your email list that pay you monthly recurring commissions. Let me show you some of those products that I am promoting to my email list. Now look at this product here. This product is called the HBA, and if you look here, that's my name and my picture. So this is my account, and then you look at how much I have made already. Look at that, $32,549. Can you see that? $32,549. And I was able to make this kind of money because I am promoting this product to my email list. Now you get it, right? And you can see how frequent the sales are coming in. Can you see that? And then let's even look at how the commissions are rolling in. Look at all these monthly recurring commissions coming in over, look at that, $20, $20, $20, $20, $100, $20, $100. So if you want to earn commissions, monthly recurring commissions like this, using with your email list, build your email list. That's just what I'm going to say. Let me show you another product. This is another product. It's called the OLSP system. and you can see how much I've made already, $8,300. And how am I making this money? Because I'm promoting this product to my email list. Let me show you another product. This is called the Got Backup, okay? And look at how much I've made so far, $2,247, because I'm promoting this product to my email list. So you can see how the super affiliate funnel will help you to make sales with the Legacy Builders program and also allow you to earn monthly recurring incomes. How do you like that? It's powerful, right? Now, how does this system work? Just like I told you, one, it builds your email list, okay, which I've explained that to you. Two, it automatically follows up with your customer, so you don't have to do any kind of follow-up. The system automatically follows up with your customer by email, by video training, and also by webinars, right? So all those things are done for you with by the super affiliate funnel. Then number three, it automatically closes sales for you. So you don't have to do any form of selling, right? Because the system does all the selling and selling for you. It's so easy. So now you'll be asking me, Victor, how do I get started with the Legacy Builders program and also the super affiliate market funnel marketing system? Very simple. All you have to do is this: go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, all right, so once you come below this video you are watching right now, just go to the first link that says step 1, join the Legacy Builders program and super affiliate funnel. So go ahead, click that first link. Now, once you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. So all you need to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, let me show you. Just enter your first name like this and then enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Now, once you click the yellow button, that will bring you to this super affiliate funnel website. All right, so what you want to do, just make sure you watch this video that explains everything, then scroll down all the way here till you get to this page where it says get started now. All right, now as you can see, with the super affiliate funnel, it costs you $0, no money to join, because it's free for you to join the super affiliate funnel. So what you want to do, you see the yellow button that says start here, click on that, then fill up all these details. Where it says I'm not a robot, click on that, then click on create my account. Once you do that, your own account will be created just like mine. Very simple, right? So that's the first step. Then the second step is to join the Legacy Builders program. So all you need to do, scroll down till you get to income stream number 4, okay? Now, once you get to income stream number 4, this is income stream number 4, called the Legacy Builders, okay? Now, once you are here, all you need to do, you see this link that says tutorial. Go ahead, click on that, then watch this video. After watching the video, scroll down, you see where it says join Legacy Builders. Go ahead, click that yellow button. That will immediately bring you to this page, okay, where you can join the Legacy Builders. All right, so you see this blue button that says yes, get access to Legacy Builders program now. So go ahead, click that blue button. Once you click the blue button, that will bring you to the checkout page. Now, the legacy builders, just like you know, is $900. One-time payment. There is no monthly fees ever. So it's just $900 one-time payment, and all you have to do, fill up all these details, pay your $900, then pay the $29 for your website. Okay, so that would be $929 one-time payment, no monthly fees. With that, you will be qualified to earn unlimited $900 commission like all of us in the community. So this is how simple it is to become part of the Legacy Builders program. All right, guys, this is it. So if you are ready to start earning those unlimited $900 commission, go below this video and click that first link. So now, and for joining my team, all what I'm offering you is free one-on-one training, free one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one mentoring. Okay, so I'm going to work with you, I'm going to assist you in any way that I can, so that you can start doing very well with this system. All right, so if you like this video, please click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.